What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and yet again we are checking in from SeaWorld Orlando for another penguin track construction update. And from what we are hearing is the ride has begun testing again. So hopefully we're going to get over there and see it running. There's a lot to see and do. Let's go. Self-service ticketing over there still has walls up. It's getting a little TLC. And over here at the ticket windows, not much of a wait. There was nobody at the parking booths, and security was a breeze. Right now it's somewhere in the 90s, boiling hot. Yep, like usual, right on through. Sounds like a bad fight over there going on right now. I'll come back to you. See you later, pink chickens. Manta, currently showing a 25-minute wait, but we're heading directly for Penguin Track. I want to see this thing run. It's been a little while. Not to mention, hopefully they've changed out some of the wheels. It was kind of loud last time. We'll see. Success! Yay! It's running again, and it does sound a little bit quieter. Not bad. This past weekend, this area reopened, the Antarctica area, and I don't know. I really wish they would have added a little bit more theming over here. They might. It just looks a little bit plain, but good to see the area back open. Lots of new paint. Looks freshened up. Penguin entrance over there, and the ride's running again. Can definitely see the wear marks on the track now. All right, so we have a new Super Cup here, a shark. Looks amazing. Well, there's something else to talk about in this area. The building over here that was used for a haunted attraction during Halloween has been getting a lot of love, and we've been thinking that it might just be getting spruced up and whatnot, when actually it's possible that a new restaurant's going to be coming here. Chick-fil-A. Yeah, that's right. Apparently SeaWorld is hiring for Chick-fil-A team members, and we're thinking it's going to go right here. Another successful day, and it's time for pink chickens. Yes. Duh, we got coaster buns and pink chickens. 3 of them, actually. Look at that. Hello? How are you? Huh? Hello? Hey, that's my camera. Hello? Hello? Can I help you? Hello? Well, guys, that's going to do it for our update here from SeaWorld Orlando for Penguin Track. Exciting stuff, as it is once again doing some testing. It's only been a month or so, and we noticed that it's a little bit quieter. They've changed out some of the wheel compounds from nylon to polyurethane. Exciting stuff, and of course, possibility that a Chick-fil-A is going to be coming to the park. We also saw our coaster buns and pink chickens, and we're going to have plenty more updates from here for Penguin Track and other stuff going on in possible 2025. So if you like what we do, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and the website formerly known as Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.